Alrighty. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Amberly Cabina here. We're going to do a makeup vlog that has been really phenomenal for hot freaking days. If you would like to see how I do this, please continue watching. Right, first things first, you gotta wear your sunscreen. But these two, gold. I never wear sunscreen, so this is a first. 42, I'm just learning how to wear sunscreen. Or I'm just doing it now. And guess what, guys? I was like a tanning bed queen. The first time I got in a tanning bed, I was in 6th grade. So I think that would make me about 11 or 12 or 13 or not 13. My mom put me in a tanning bed. And now remember, this was like 1995 or something. How that gives you a nice dewy, how it gives you a nice dewy glow. I like that. Like that. My early 20s, I would go like, not a lot, but I would go like 2 different places to go tanning because I was crazy. Like 20 minutes in a tanning bed wasn't enough. And I used to get that really burny, but there's a tanning lotion or like a developer that is like burny. It's like red, and it would, I think it was called like Tingle. If you never had that before and somebody was before you in the tanning bed and they didn't wipe it properly and you just go right in, you will burn. I know this brow's like so 2019.
But do you think I care? Do you think I care? No.
So yesterday, I forgot to take my ashwagandha. I had the worst day ever. Like that stuff works. For like $5 a month, woo, worth it. I have to like link it to my Amazon store for you guys because you got to get this brand. Because I've had like ashwagandha like gummies from like Goli, and they didn't do shit. They were like nothing. These are good. One brow almost on. We're not done yet, but look at that color. So good, so good. Brows make a heck of a difference. Look at that. Woo! Woo! So good. I don't know what that is, so I just keep covering it. It's a little tender touch. If you have any idea, please let me know in the comments if you've ever seen anything like that. There we go. So that it doesn't budge like a lot. So kind of like set it. There we go. But let's go ahead. Might as well do the other side. Can't be, they gotta be even. That'll fuck up my OCD. Put your finger in there. Sometimes your finger's your best tool. You know what I mean? You know how you feel better and more confident when you are tan? That's me right here. Hello. The darkest should be at the end and like ombre up to a light shade in the front. Yeah. Oh, I grabbed more product like a dummy.
Amber, you dummy.
The other day we got the porch pressure watch. If you don't know, like I told you guys, we were remodeling the house and all the things. We built a humongous porch on the front of the house. Humongous. It's like the whole length of the front of the house. And we had to get it pressure washed and put like a sealant on it. Looks really good. I love it so much. And the lights around it, ooh, it's sexy. It's sexy lights. This is the taupe caramel, the NYX. Here, let me just show you guys like a beauty influencer. Steelers. We got it. I'm gonna tell you guys a story. Kind of funny. So it was like right after the sun went down. I don't know, about 2 nights ago. Like between like 8 and 9:30, you know. I was on the back porch talking with Richard. I think the light was on in the back porch, okay? And I see like something fly by his face. You know, fly, something, and he just kind of went, oh, like that. And we've come to find out it was a bee. When he went like this, it went on the back of my thigh, and Spit me, stung me, whatever they do, it did it. And I was walking into the kitchen as it did it, kind of. So I start screaming, throw my pants down, and like jumping around like I'm gonna do. Ah! Hunter comes running downstairs. He's like, I thought Luna bit you. I was like, it was just a bee. And I had no pants on. Good thing I had this really long ass sweatshirt on, so it covered. It was like a dress. Yes, it worked. I mean that. Yeah. So like when it happened, like we came down the steps, I ran in the bathroom, and I don't know, but I killed the bee somewhere in that time frame. So it was a yellow jacket. It was like throwing cold water on my legs because it burnt straight, like hardcore for about an hour. And Hunter was like worried he was gonna get stung. So we had to make sure it was dead, and it was killed, it was dead. But then the next day, oh my Lanta, did my leg itch. You know, like that. Just the very next day, it didn't swell that much, but Richard got bit right back here. It's like it was like swollen. I'm like, are you allergic? No, he's not. But imagine getting bit like right there. Let's see if I can show you this dang sting of mine. Can I? Oh, something's in my tail. It was this little. It was like back here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't think there was any kind of like a mark or anything.
Guys, unfortunately, my microphone just shut off. But right here, I am putting on some coverage and like dotting it on my face.
Okay, I think we're back on right now. I don't know what happened. Blend it in like so. Without like, we're doing small strokes with this like kabuki brush. Oh, you don't want to like rub it off your face. You want to see the product. When you start like rubbing the crap out of it, you will literally rub it off your face. So just short, small strokes, and you're like pushing and tapping at the same time. Look at that, it covered that right up. And this is a freaking BB cream. And it's a tinted moisturizer. It's a tinted moisturizer, is what it is. It has like, we follow European standards, so there's 1,300 chemicals that are not in our products because the US bans like 13 to 14. That's it. I don't want to put nothing that's going to cause me cancer on my skin. I've already done enough damage in the 90s. This has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's really, really gonna plump up my under eye. Okay, a little bit of the orange to counteract the black. That's like the secret. Let it kind of like dry a little bit. Okay, so I'm back. I have to charge my microphone. Hopefully you guys can hear the audio from before. But I like put on my blush and highlighter and did like my nose contour, did some eyeshadow. I didn't do any mascara yet. But I wanted to show you what I do to set it and what what really works good for me. Setting spray.
Hey, we lost audio, but here I am showing you this beautiful tinted lip plumper in the shade, I think it's Lover. Also, I know I use setting spray. Let that dry, and then grab a translucent setting powder that's going to blur, fill in fine lines and wrinkles, look flawless. Did I say blurs? And it's like a mattifying, but you just need a little tiny bit because it's super pigmented, but it doesn't dry your face out. Okay, let's do some finishing touches, get them brows with some wax, and here's the finished look.
You know, you can watch me, mock me, block me, or join me. But what you cannot do is stop me.
So today is Thursday. I believe it's like around noonish, one-ish. It is 1:53. Luna got sprayed by a skunk. So I'm currently, I don't know if you can see, I'm a PetSmart. I gotta get her a de-skunk thing. So the bath did not work. So here we are taking her to the river.
Yes, mud water. Every time I bring it out, she's dirty. So I'm hoping she gets muddy first.
How are we gonna do this? Oh yeah, that's mud. That's perfect. I'm gonna sit on this log. Watch the rock. Oh, Nanny, look at my Nanny. Don't go too far, baby. Come on.
She's just a broken girl, mommy.
All right, there we go. Now we got light, Nanny. Now we got light on my phone. There we go. Now we can see. Now they can see us kicking the ball. Oh,
Are you playing the doggy on TV?
Huh?
Are you and my doggy on TV?
Oh wait, now that's too far away.
You put my doggy on TV?
She's on there every week.
I know.
You don't know, because you don't watch my vlogs.
I watch more than you think I watch.
Yeah, right.
Huh?
Yeah, right.
Hey.
You my Nanny.
Hey.
Huh?
The idea is always be there, but never let you know I'm there.
Oh yeah. What's this right here? Oh, he said, oh yeah.
Yeah.
You think?
I watch a few seconds here and there. I pick up on things. And,
From my
There's a
new.
couple times I wanted to jump in and say some things, but
When?
you did some things inappropriate.
Like what? I never do anything inappropriate. I don't ever. Oh, baby! Trying to kill me, Daddy.
If you would fell on
I
camera,
was backward. It's like she put the ball right behind me and I was walking backwards.
hey, if you'd have fell on camera, it wouldn't have been good.
No.
You know why?
I could have had proof and sued her.
You want to know why?
Why?
Because I don't know how I could have faked the emotion of feeling bad.
You couldn't.
I'd be laughing the whole time.
Come on, no. I ain't putting no more.
It'd be like she died.
No.
And I'm supposed to cry. Or show emotion.
I hate that damn ball. I don't like it. Okay, look at that. We turned this way. We got the noon. We got some grass. Ooh. Oh my goodness, is that what you want to do to your mother and to shake her around? Oh, no, just throwing it on my feet. You think that's going to make me do it a little faster? That light's a little bright. And turn down a little bit.
Lou wants the attention, Mom.
Nunu? What do you want me to do, Nunu? What do you want me to do, Nunu?
Tell her, Lou, what you want her to do.
What do you want me to do, Nunu?
You're the boss, Lou. Tell her what you want.
Nunu?
Louie Lou.
What do you want me to do, Nunu?
She just wants you to be you, Mommy, and do whatever you want. Be happy. Just be around her is all she wants. Right, Lou? I got you, Lou. Daddy help you out. Oh, yeah. What does Mommy do? Is she picking on you?
I'm not doing anything. I'm not kicking it or nothing. I'm just staring at her.
Are you picking on you? Lou, Lou?
Is that what you want to do to my face?
What about Mommy? What about give Mommy some attention?
There you go! Good. Did it. There.
Thanks a lot.
Gosh, I need to work out. Man, I could wave like 5 times. Time for some powder. I don't care how much money I make. I'm still shopping the clearance racks. It's like black in my crack. Hells yeah. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification so that you know every time I upload. And I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for your love and support. You don't even know how much it means to me and Hunter And Richard, I guess, too. Bye, guys.